Welcome friends, I am Pritesh Patil from AISSMS IOIT, and in this tutorial we will be seeing set membership in SQL. So this set membership is basically used for providing conditions through queries which are then known as nested queries. So set membership keywords are in and not in. So these keywords can be used along with the where clause to check for the predicate condition. In not in keywords scan the subqueries written in where clause for expected validation. So let us see first the in keyword. Find the details of the instructor working in some department which are located in building where ENTC department is located. So for solving this kind of questions, understanding of the query question is very important. So here we have to find the details of the instructors who are working in some departments which are located in some building, and that building should be same as of ENTC department. So that we have to find out. So what we did in this is select I dot instructor ID, I dot department name, I dot name, I dot salary. So this up to salary, all the fields are coming from instructor table, and whereas building number, as building number is not there in instructor, so building number is coming from department table. So as we have created these two tables in our previous session with proper primary and foreign key constraints, so there is a one-to-one mapping with the values of instructor and department. So here I and D, which are used as the short form of instructor and department, which are known as the tuple variable. So as I told you, the primary and foreign key constraints are performed here on these two tables. So there is a need to provide the equivalence condition for the natural join. So that is I dot department name is equal to D dot department name. So that has been performed. Valid, I mean equivalence condition. And then the second condition, that building number should be same as of ENTC department. So here we have used the in keyword. As you can see here, the condition required for building number, and this building number should be in. Now select building number from department where a department name is equal to ENTC. So now this specific subquery will retrieve the building number, and that is of ENTC department. If the records are huge, it is very difficult for you to find out and first the value, and then apply that value as in the predicate clause. So this is let the SQL performs that check and perform validation. So of this query we are going to see the practical demonstration. Let us move ahead. Let us see not in keyword. So now find the details of instructors working in some departments which are not located in the building where ENTC department is located. So here just the change which is made, I have replaced in with not in. So now the instructors who are working in some department which is not equal to the ENTC department's building number, so only those instructors details will be printed, right? You can use multiple fields in the conditional clause. Here it is the query is to find the total number of distinct students who have taken course section taught by instructor with ID 10101. So here our aim is to find out the count, and from text that students have opted some subjects, and where course ID comma section ID comma semester comma year. Now all these four should be in. Now select course ID, section ID, semester, year from teachers. Now here for writing this kind of queries, you should take care that you are calling the number of fields here in the where clause should be equal to the number of fields invoked in the nested query. So here there is a one-to-one like course ID, section ID, section ID, likewise semester and year. If you change the pattern here, if you change the pattern here, section id on the first, section id then course id then year then semester, so for validation it will create some error. So if course id and section id, these two are numeric, so it will perform a numeric check, so it will have valid values. But if you are providing section id in place of semester here, and here semester is checked with section id, so character with numeric, there will be error. So you should take care while writing this kind of the queries, use of the set membership. So finally, I would like to conclude with this. We have seen, we have discussed about the usage of set membership in SQL. Now the demonstration. Before concluding final conclusion, I would like to demonstrate you the features of set membership. So for the quick understanding and to save the time, I have already created this table as a department which is having these values like comp, IT, ENTC, electrical, instrumentation and biology. These six departments are there in department along with the building number and their budget. And likewise the instructor table, which is also created for simplicity of understanding and saving the time. These are the entries in the instructor table where the different instructors are working for different departments. Some instructors may be working in some same department, like 101 Mohan is working in comp, as well as Sumit is working, as well as Rakesh. Now let us jump to our question with in keyword. Find the details of the instructors working in some department which are located in the building where ENTC department is located. So now here is the query. If you could see, the same query is written here where it is been checked d dot building number in. Now select building number from department where department name is equal to ENTC, and the first predicate condition is just to verify the equivalence to realize the natural join. So let us run this. Now we have got the instructor with ID 111 who is working in instrumentation. His building number is 3, and as I have displayed the result of this department, so ENTC department is also located on the third building, right? So this way, and the demonstration of the second, that is not in, like where the department number, building number should not be the building number of ENTC department. So that's what we would like to find. So this is the query for that. Here in place of in I have used not in. So let us see the result. So as you can see, building numbers except 3 which is of ENTC, all are displayed. So in the previous result where 111 was the instructor ID which is not displayed here, that you observe, right? So let us move back to our presentation. So now finally I would like to conclude that we have demonstrated the in keyword in where clause and demonstrated not in keyword in where clause. Thus we have seen in detail the set membership uh, feature of SQL. So thank you very much.